what's up? You're watching Plumbing Explained. I'm Chris, and this is Ride Along. Hope you guys are having a great day. I'm definitely having a better day than yesterday. Leave a comment down below how your day is going. Leave a like on the video and make sure you're subscribed if you haven't subscribed already. So, just to put things into perspective for you guys, 2019 we had our second son. Little baby Jason was born in December. And in March 2020, I was diagnosed with non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. So just 3 months after having my second son, I was told there was a 50-50 chance I'd, be able to live to see him or not. And that was very difficult. It hurt real bad when the doctor first told me that, but it brought something out of me that I didn't even know that I had. See, I had always been kind of a cynical, kind of more negative thinking type person, more of a glass half empty type guy. I mean, I wasn't outwardly like that, but mentally I always thought the worst stuff was going to happen. And I had bad luck because of that. I created that bad luck by thinking negative and never just believing and thinking positive. So positive thinking is huge. It's everything to me. Especially now, after going through cancer and everything, I would not have been able to do it if it wasn't for being able to think positive. So, it's very difficult for me when I hear people talking about how, they have bad luck and essentially just give up on trying. It's hard for me to hear that, and it's hard for me to understand that type of thinking because I never, even though I was a very cynical and negative type thinking person, I never was the type of guy to give up. I'm a very, very persistent, very, very just follow things to the end type person, until the very end, the very bitter end. And I think that is a great quality to have. And I think most people can do that just like I have in life. You can push yourself to limits that you don't even know possible. You just have to be able to get a hold of yourself and do it. When you give up, you are making a conscious decision to stop, to give up, to quit. And, there are times in life, obviously, where quitting is necessary and needed and should happen. But whenever anything in life that you're going through, okay, especially if you're working towards something, giving up should not be an option for you. Okay, life is not easy, and it's not just going to hand you stuff. You have to work your butt off to get anywhere in life. All the people at the top, they didn't just get handed, the life that they're living now. Even people who inherited money and stuff like that, I'm sure everybody can point to somebody that inherited this or that, and so they're not, they're not really self-made. They didn't have to make themselves. Yes, they did. They had to make the conscious decision not to squander their inheritance. They had to make the conscious decision that they wanted to continue to be wealthy and be good. And that all has to do with positivity. You cannot be successful without being positive. It does not happen. You will never meet a negative person who thinks always negative and thinks the worst is always going to happen and is still a very successful person. You'll never find that. It's just not in the recipe. If you want to be successful, you have to be willing to think outside the box and be willing to endure a little bit of hardship. There's a lot that goes into success, and it's not that easy. So I just wanted to put things into perspective for you guys real quick in this video. That's why I brought up my cancer diagnosis and all that stuff. I hope you guys are having a great day. Like I said, let me know down in the comments below. I really appreciate you guys. All right, take care.